Hey, how's it going? This is Jason with the local locksmith company, and today I'm gonna show you how to shim a lock. So what happens if you have a lock you got to take apart and you don't have a key? This one we have a key for, so we could take this one apart easy. But this one we don't have a key for, so we're gonna do something different with this one. It's called shimming the lock. So I'm just going to kind of set the camera up so you can watch me do it. Hopefully that's good enough. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the clip off the back of the lock, which is right here. And that slides off pretty easy. Just slide it off like that. Take it, it's off. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to need a follower. So hang tight. Let me go get a follower. I'll be right back. Alright, I have a follower. I'm going to use this follower in this lock. So what our goal is to get the plug out of here so we can rekey it. So we don't have a key for it, so it won't turn. So we're just going to use what's called a shim. And we're going to shim the back of the lock. These are just little metal shims. They're little sheets of metal. They fit right in the back. They fit right in the back of the lock like that. And then at the same time we're pushing this key in and pulling the key out, we're shimming this lock, and it's allowing that shim to go in deep. And here we go. See, it just went in a little bit, so it's in a little deep now. So it's got the first pin. So as I go in more and more, I'm going to try and get you a better view. Alright, so as I go in more and more, I'm going to push on the shim, and at the same time I'm going to pull the key out. So it went in a little more. So it's going in a little more. So you can see the length of it's getting shorter. And actually the lock turns and it's shimmed. So now I got the lock turned. And we can get the plug out. Now let's get the plug out. So we'll take the key out, hold the plug, pull the shim, take the follower, put the follower up in here, and we will slide the plug out. And now I'm going to put this key in here. So you can see we can rekey this to any key that we want now. That's how you shim a lock and pick it backwards when you don't have a key and you want to rekey it. There's other ways to do it. You could pick the lock to turn it. You could leashy the lock to turn it. Or you could bump the lock to turn it. I use all of the methods, but this is shimming a lock open. This is one of the 4 ways that I do it. Again, this is Jason with the local locksmith company. Hopefully that helps you learn how to shim a lock. Appreciate it. Appreciate you watching. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you want to see more, follow us, and we'll keep putting out some videos. Thanks for watching.